hot but good. Hi, and welcome to Virtual Eats Guru, where barbecue and grilling is made tasty. My name's Brandon Tanner, and today we're going to do a Stromboli for you. So if you haven't heard of that, or if you've had one before, this is the way I do it. It's more like a pizza made almost like a burrito, if you will, more roll versus like the way you do a calzone. But I think you really like it. I've got a lot of other pizza videos made with a lot of these same ingredients, so I'll put those up above so you can take a look at some of those other pizzas the way we do them. And again, if you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, it's been awesome, both on the YouTube channels and the other social media groups and stuff like that. Really enjoyed it. Having a bunch of fun with the kids doing these kind of things. So, but anyways, with the Stromboli, it's a little bit different, but very same ingredients in a lot of the different pizzas that we do. Again, ready baked dough from Trader Joe's is one of my favorites. Really easy to do. Like to hand toss it. We'll toss it a little bit different this time than other ones we've done. The fresh pizza sauce that they have is great. Pepperoni, dried salami, pancetta, one of my favorites. It's basically Italian bacon, then we'll fry that up ahead of time. You can add in sausage or any of the ingredients you want to do. We're going to do an egg wash on the top of this, and then oregano, basil, and then rosemary, and then some basic grated parmesan, and then you also need some cornmeal for the bottom. And we use a pizza stone for this one today, but looking forward to it. And it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy once you get past the folding part of it and slide it on the grill and the stone. But we'll get to going on this. Alright, so let the pizza dough rise for 20-30 minutes till it just kind of gets to where I want to get it. I'll kind of get it going, then we'll actually hand toss it. I put down some parchment paper on the cutting board, and then I'll put some flour down on that, just the way that I do it. Do it however you want to do. We're going to kind of make a rectangle out of it, and so that way we'll keep a little more material on the edges, and we're going to end up folding, kind of rolling it over this way, bringing up that edge, bringing up this edge, and then rolling this one all the way over, so it kind of gets you a nice little roll in there, almost like a burrito. So with that, I'll get to tossing the dough. Alright, so we had it on for about 25 minutes, a little bit more at 375. Came out perfect, got a nice crust, nice crisp, nice bottom to it with the cornmeal, which I really like. And then, you know, so we'll give it a test drive here. Got my taste tester? Alright, she likes the middles. The ends have more kind of dough on them, and the centers obviously have kind of more of the gooey and all the stuff.
Good.
Hot but good. Man. So if you like this type of content, what do you do?
Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another video like this one.
Perfect. Thanks for watching. How's that?